Hi guys, Mr. True Life here. I really hope you followed the entire system from the beginning, setting up your brand or revalidating your brand, knowing how to run ads, picking a better product, picking a better supplier and all of that, and also your store setup, knowing the best platform to choose and not just being one of the I'll go with Shopify people, right? So I assume you know how to do all of that now. Now, what I really want to let you guys know is I use a system to go through all of these, and that is how we're able to land results for clients. And this system is called the Build Your Launch Funnel System, right? Now with the Build Your Launch system, what we go over is you're going to have a hand holding you while validating your product, right? So that means you will never sell the wrong product. You would never sell a product the market doesn't want. You would definitely be selling a product that would have customers screaming at you, when are you going to launch your website, right? Next thing is, after knowing that, we also show you how to do your research on your competitors, because there's no one thing you'll be doing in this life that you'll be doing alone. Someone else has definitely done it, or someone else is definitely about to go on that journey, or they've embarked on that journey before. Now the question is, did they do it the right way? Did they do it the right way? Probably not. How about if you could do it better? To make sure that you are ahead of the game. Now, we will also help you with your web setup, right? Your website setup, and also building all necessary pages on your website. Depending on the kind of page, the kind of product you're going to sell, we will be able to tell you and guide you, okay, we're going to use Shopify because we'll be doing this, we'll be doing this, we'll be doing that, and this is going to be cost effective, this will bring you better results, Now, we're going to show you our Build Your Launch paid ad strategy. And also another thing we add to this is, we're also going to help you set up one powerful system. Is going to be an LG system. I call it LG, that's lead generation, meaning this is through email marketing, meaning instead of people just dropping into your store, the ones that buy convert, the ones that don't buy, goodbye to them. We're going to show you where to keep them, how to keep them on a list, on an email list, where you are going to keep nurturing them until they eventually also buy the same products from you. That would make you what? That would give you more sales in the long run, right? And why is that good? If a brand knows, they know where to reach out to you, they have your email, they know they can reach out to your support, it improves the customer lifetime value, because that customer is going to spend more with your brand, right? So, and that is one very big problem that brands do not focus on these days. Think about it. If you use Wish, there's a website called Wish. If you use Wish a lot, Wish send nothing less than 5 emails every day. They're selling physical products, but they send nothing less than 5 emails. They're showing you products they know you need. And these are things you need to be doing in your e-commerce business too. It's not about just setting up a website, sending traffic, pushing people to that traffic, 3% convert, and the rest forget about you. No, you need a lead generation system where you also have email, also driving in clients. There are email campaigns that do $50,000 every month. Yes, on e-com, not even selling digital products, selling physical products for e-commerce. I'm going to show you the platform to set up your email marketing on, right? The one that will be best for your brand, whether just starting out or just continuing. And then I just want you to tell me, if you go through all of this and at the end of the day you end up not selling, tell me, like, how would you feel? I'm gonna feel terrible if that was me. And with all of these things we've said here, it's basically a banker. It's basically a sure thing for you to make sales, because there are so many platforms, there's so much traffic coming into that store, which is a high converting store, right? So if you've been struggling with selling your products, maybe making your first sale on Shopify, maybe getting your first $5,000 or $10,000 months, or scaling from $20,000 to $50,000, we have done this. And if you look through our reviews, you'd see a couple of clients that have worked with us, right? If you want this to be you, what I want you to do right now is, I want you to use the button you see down there to schedule a call and let's speak for maybe 10 to 15 minutes and let's build out and map out a blueprint and a strategy for your own brand. Do you think this is something you'd be interested in? I bet you are, yeah, because this is something that will definitely work for you, right? And there are guarantees on it, so it's nothing you want to miss out on. And I'm only going to be taking 5 slots for this month, just 5 slots. So the minute 5 slots are gone, it's all gone. If you miss one of the 5 slots, guys, you need to wait another month. You need to wait a full month to get into this program, right? So I want you to do this and let me and my team hold you by the hand and guide you through this. We've done this with tons of stores. The last store we did this on was Wing Beauty. Wing Beauty was about 2K per month. Now she has done 19K per month, 3 months consecutively. So we know this is something that works, and she's still scaling, right? She's gonna have her very first 50K month very soon. She's still scaling. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you do not let that button pass you by. Schedule your call and get on the call now, just for the first 5 people. Take care.